Hi, this is Adityan from MockCat. Today we'll look at MyCat, an exam conducted by MICA, Mudra Institute of Communications, Ahmedabad. MyCat is an online exam conducted by MICA. MyCat 1 registrations are already closed, but for MyCat 2, the registrations are already open from 23rd November 2023. And the registration closes on 16 January 2024 at 11:50 pm. The exam date for MyCat 2 is Jan 27, 2024. There are 3 sections in MyCat, and the duration of the exam is 2 hours and 15 minutes. The marking scheme is usually not disclosed, but there are no negative markings for section A and B. As far as placements are concerned, the average package is 20 lakhs per annum and the median package is 19 lakhs per annum. The exam fees is 2100 rupees and the fees for the program is 23 lakhs. The format of the exam is 3 sections, with section A containing the psychometric test with 150 questions, which is to be answered in 30 minutes. Section B is a descriptive test, which has 4 questions, which is to be answered in 25 minutes. There are 2 types of questions in this descriptive test. One is story writing and the other is essay writing. Section C has 4 subsections: divergent and convergent thinking, verbal ability, quantitative ability, and data interpretation and general awareness. There are 80 questions in this section with 80 minutes to answer. The marking scheme is generally not disclosed by the institution. There is no negative marking for section A and B, but section C has minus 0.25 negative marks for every wrong answer. As far as placements are concerned, the average package is 20 lakhs per annum and the median package is 19 lakhs per annum. There are 248 seats across all programs in MICA. As far as selection process is concerned, students are supposed to take any one of the 3 exams, which are CAT 2023, XAT 2024 and GMAT from 2022 onwards. After taking one of these 3 exams, it is mandatory for students to take MyCat exam. The following are the steps after the exams. Step 1. Section A is first checked. The section is a qualifier. Step 2. Those who have qualified through Section A, their relative performance on CAT, XAT and GMAT is considered. A minimum cutoff in CAT or XAT total percentile or GMAT score shall be considered. Please note that best of the 3 scores is considered for selection. Step 3. Those who qualify based on CAT or XAT or GMAT performance, their Section C, all subsections of MyCat is assessed. Step 4 is where candidates who appear in group exercise and personal interview must be recommended by majority of the panelists of personal interview to be considered for the final merit list. The weightage for selection is CAT or XAT or GMAT is 20%, MyCat is 30%, group exercise is 20% and personal interview is 30%. To conclude, if MBA in marketing is your preference, MICA is a good choice. Creativity is important for this exam. Descriptive section, which is section B, which has essay and story writing, checks your creativity. This exam tests your structured thinking, logical reasoning ability, and your personality. As far as preparation is concerned, no separate prep is required. Preparation for CAT is enough for this exam. We'll be putting up more videos for colleges with various percentiles, VAT and personal interview content, B school deadlines, and much more information on our YouTube channel. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to receive notifications. Do like the video if you found it useful. Thank you and good luck.